Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This is my first video in English. I'm very happy to be here and a little bit nervous too. And one thing I want to tell you all, here I'm not as an expert, I'm not as a teacher, I'm just a learner just like you. These days I'm learning English speaking, so I thought I can share my journey with you all. Maybe even during my journey phase, I can contribute something in your lives too. So here I am, and I love reading books because when I read books, I feel like I'm getting something new, I'm learning new things, and I started thinking better. My thinking getting a little bit better than before when I read books, because when we get something new, when we learn about things, then it happens automatically that we start thinking more broader, more curious, or you can say more straight. So I love reading books, and also it gives me a little bit confidence in speaking because I told you already that I'm not an expert and a teacher. I'm just a learner. I'm learning English speaking these days. So it becomes like I make mistakes in I make mistakes in pronunciations. I make mistakes in sentence formation. Sometimes it gets hard for me to make sentences. So when I read books, I feel like I'm getting a little bit more familiar with this language too. So it gives me more power, it gives me more reason, or you can say it motivates me to read books, and I love reading books. That's my hobby, I think. And not I think, but yeah, I'm sure my hobby is in reading books. And yeah, I thought I will share with you all my journey, and if I will learn something from the book, then I will share that too with you all. Maybe you will also get something new, and if you want I can share with you that books too, so that you can also read that. Because if I will tell you, I will tell you just few things, but if you will read the books too, then it will give you more confidence. You will feel like you will start reading that, then it helps you in your English speaking too. So, and and what I can say, yeah, one thing I want to share with you, like sometimes ago when I was trying to speak English, I feel like I'm alone who is trying to speak English, who don't know how to speak, who is not able to speak fluently like others. But when I started sharing it with my friends, like yeah, I am getting nervous in speaking English, or I get nervous while speaking English, or I feel scared while talking with others in English. Then say you are not alone. I am also. On that time I realize I get confidence. I start thinking like I'm not alone. I should not to judge myself that I am alone who don't know how to speak. So I thought if just sharing with few people give me more confidence, give me confidence that I can speak, then I should to share with you all. Maybe it will help you too. So I'm here to share with you my journey. And sometimes have you ever noticed it, like we understand English very well. We can read English, we can understand English, we can even understand when some people are talking in English, and we can watch movies, we can watch drama in English. We understand very well, but when we thought to we have to talk, then we get scared, we feel nervous, we start thinking like people will judge us, people will think I'm not able to speak English. But the truth is we are judging ourselves, nobody is judging us. Hey, you should to think once, when you thought people will judge you, you are not able to speak properly, do you think on that time there is anyone? No, nobody is there. Nobody is judging you on that time. But the one who is judging you is you. Only you. मतलब sorry. It means we started judging ourselves. Nobody else is judging us. So when you will share your problems, or you are not able to speak with others, then you will know, you will know that you are not alone. There are so many people. At that time, the confidence you get, that will give you very, that will give you motivation, that will motivate you to speak, to not to get afraid of speaking, to not to be afraid of judging, because nobody is judging you. Everybody is just trying to learn. And to whom you are thinking they will judge you, even though when you, they will say you know that you are doing something, then they will also get confidence and they will appreciate you. It can be they will not appreciate in front of you, but they will appreciate you in their mind, that you are doing great things. At least you are trying, at least you started, but they didn't. So you should not to think about others. You should to think about only yourself and do everything for yourself. If you think you want to learn, you want to speak fluently, then you should to start now. You should not to wait for the perfect time, or you should not to wait for the time when you feel you are perfect. Now you can speak now, because when you will not start you can never get perfect, but when you will start you can get better. Someday you will feel you are not the same, you grows. So stop judging yourself and start learning, keep learning. And in this channel, this is the safest place for the beginners, because there is no any pressure, no any fear, no, there is nothing negative, there is nothing, there is no one who will judge you, because I'm also making mistakes, you will also make mistakes, and we are learning, we are growing, we are just growing together. So don't get scared of making mistakes, and this is the safest place. So please, if you are also a beginner, you want to speak English fluently, then please subscribe this channel, and I'm sure you will get so many things, so many things what will improve your life, and what give you more, what I can say, that things just contribute in your life in a positive way, not in a negative way. And I'm sure you would like this if you will follow it and you will see. So please, if you like these videos, then like and subscribe, and share this channel with your friends too if they are also facing the same things. And we will meet in the next video. Thank you, friends.